Okay, so I have Adobe Illustrator open, and I'm going to be using this to create the scroll to top graphic. So for in the new document, we're going to set the dimensions 60 pixels by 60 pixels. And now we're going to draw out a shape onto the artboard. So I'm going to go to the rectangle tool and select polygon, and we're going to drag this out from the center. I'm going to switch the fill and the stroke. And now I'm going to my line tool, and I will drag up a line through the center of the polygon. Now I'm going to my line panel, and I'm going to pick an arrowhead to add to the line. And oops, it looks like I picked the wrong one, so let me go back and get the right arrowhead and place it right there at the top. Now I'm just going to play around with the stroke a little bit just to get the right width and the right size. And that's looking pretty good. I'm just going to align this to the center. Now I'm just playing around with the stroke a little bit and the arrowhead width, just to see what it looks like if I adjust it a bit, but I think I like it the way it was before, so I'm going to leave it the way I had it before. And now I'm just going to save this image as an Illustrator file. And now I'm going to export this image as a PNG with a transparent background. I'm just going to switch it back down to 1x because it doesn't need to be that big.